Hello students, today we will do the practical of the chapter working with Windows. Okay, as we all know that Windows 7 is an operating system software. We cannot work on a computer system unless the operating system software is installed in it. So Windows 7 provides you a program known as the control panel. So Control panel allows us to make changes in the settings of Windows and other hardware and software. So in this chapter we will learn about different options that are present in the control panel. So let's start. So first of all we will do the practical on opening control panel. So how you can open a control panel? You have to follow some certain steps. So first of all you have to click on the start button. Okay, as you have clicked on the start button, now after this you have to select the control panel. Okay, here you can see this is control panel. You have to select the control panel options from the start menu. Okay, as so the control panel windows appears, as you can see on the screen it is appears. Now here you can view another view of control panel. Okay, you can see here if we do like this, so you can view another type of control panel. You can say okay, we can view a control panel on the another view of control panel. Okay, you can do like category. Okay, so this is how you can see control panel views. So you have been introduced to the control panel interface. Now let us perform some operations by using control panel. Okay. So now we will learn how to change shapes of the mouse pointer. Okay. So first of all, you know what is mouse pointer, how it says like an arrow. You can change the shapes of the mouse pointer from the control panel. You know, yes, you can change the speed of pointer movement also, setting up the mouse buttons, etc. Okay, you can also change this by using the control panel. So to change the shape of a mouse pointer we have to follow some certain steps. So first of all we have to click the start button. Okay, here you have to click on the start button, then again control panel. So here a window will appear. You can see here window is appear. Now here you have to select the hardware and software options. Okay, this is your hardware and sound. So here you have to select the hardware and sound option. Once you have clicked, you can see the other window will appear on the screen. Now here you have to click on the mouse. Okay, just because we have to change the shape of the mouse, so we will click on the mouse icon. Now here you have to double click on the mouse pointer. Okay, as we have clicked the mouse pointer, now you can see here devices and printer groups in the right place of the window. You can see here as we have clicked the mouse icon in the view devices and printers, the mouse properties dialog box has appeared. Okay, it has usually four tabs. You can see buttons, pointers, pointer options, hardware, okay, and the wheel also. Okay, so in the pointer tabs, here in this tab, you have to click the browse. Okay, you have to click the browse. Once you have clicked the browse, a new browse dialog box opens. In this list of shapes available, you can see list of shapes available for your mouse pointer. You can see this type of shape of a mouse pointer. You can select this type of mouse pointer. These all are the shapes, okay, available for your mouse pointer. So here you can select any type of shapes of a mouse pointer. So if you wanna this shapes, so you have to click here, click mouse pointer, this one, and then you have to click on there, this open. Okay, once you have clicked on this, then you have to click on the open button. Okay, So here I have selected these shapes. As you can see, I have selected the shapes. Okay, so for changing the shape, as I want the shapes for my mouse pointer, so I have selected all this, and then I have to click on the open button. Okay, now after this, once you have selected the pointer of your choice and click open, then the old mouse pointer will be replaced by the selected one in the mouse properties dialog box. Okay, here you can see we have changed our mouse pointer. Okay, you can see here our mouse pointer shape has changed. Okay, so this is how you can change the shape of your mouse pointer. Okay, you can see here. Now students, you may also change the speed of double click of mouse by using buttons tab available in the mouse properties. Okay, you can see here you can change the speed of a mouse. As you will click the double click, then it will increase your speed of the mouse pointer. Okay, here you can see this is how you can change the speed of your mouse pointer. Okay, so students, this is how you can open the control panel window on your computer. You can change the shape of mouse pointer by using mouse properties window. Now we will do the another changes. Okay, we can add a device to a computer. So now we will learn how to add a device to a computer. You may add devices like printer, fax machine, modem, etc. to your computer. To add a device to the computer, we have to follow some given steps. So first we will click on the start button. Okay, you can see here, first we will click on the start button, then we will click on the control panel. Okay, so after clicking on it, selecting the start button and control panel, we have to click on the hardware and sound. Okay, then a window will appear on the screen. Okay, you can see this is your view devices and printers group. So now you have to click on add a device. Okay, click add a device. The add a device box appears, as you can see here. So here you have to select a device which is to be added and click the next. The selected device will be added. Okay, again I am explaining you. First you have to click on the add a devices. Here you can select a device which is to be added, and then you have to click on the next. The select device will be added. Okay, so this is how you can add a device to a computer. Now removing software programs, as we have to remove some software programs. So how you can do? So to run different application on your computer, you need to install or add different software, but sometimes when such programs are not in use for a long time, you also remove them from your computer, because they slow down the speed of the computer and take a lot of computer memory space. So to remove a program, we have to follow the steps. So first we will learn how we can remove a software programs from our computer. So first of all, you have to click on the start button, then again control panel. Okay, and after this programs, you have to click on the programs, and in this you will click on the uninstall a program. Okay, so here the uninstall or change a program windows appears. You can see here, you can see a list of programs installed on your computer. Okay, in this you can uninstall any of the program. Okay, so select the program you want to remove and click the uninstall button. Suppose we have to remove this program, Adobe Flash Player. Okay, so we have to select the program. Okay, and this we are selecting this program. Okay, then so you have to select the programs you want to remove, and then you have to click the uninstall button. Okay, so as we have selected this program, okay, this one, as I have to remove this program, so first of all we have to click on this, as we have again this, no, yes, I'm selecting this program. So here this program and feature message box appears. It is asking you to confirm the deletion of that program from your computer. If you are sure, then you will click on the yes, otherwise no. Okay, so this is how you can remove a programs. And always remember that once you remove a program, you will not be able to use it further until you install that program again. Okay, so this is how you can remove a programs. So now we will do the another program. Okay, we will change the themes of a computer. Okay, we have add a device, we have changed the shape of the mouse pointer. Now we will do themes of a computer. Okay, we will change the themes of a computer. Okay, as you can see here the theme is set, so we will change the theme of the computer. So by changing the themes of a computer, you can change the appearance of the desktop of your computer. Windows 7 has many inbuilt theme steps to change the themes of a computer. You will learn. Okay, so first of all, for changing the themes of a computer, you have to click on the start button. Okay, you have to click on the start button, then control panels. Now here you will click on the appearance and personalizations. Okay, as you have clicked here, you have to click on the change the theme. Okay, you can see here you have to click on, you have to select the change the themes. Okay, I have selected. Now here personalization group, in the right pane the theme window will appear. You can see here a window theme has appeared. Now you have to select a theme and double click on it to apply. Okay, as I have selected this theme, now I want to change the theme, so I will select from this. Okay, yeah, this one. Again I am selecting this theme. Now we have to select the theme and double click. Okay, we have to double click on it to apply. As we have selected this theme, I have double click. Okay, now you can see the theme is changed. Okay, you can see theme has appeared on the desktop. We have changed the theme. So this is how you can change the themes of a computer. Okay, so students at home, do the practical of this chapter. Okay, you can change a theme of a computer. Okay, so this is how you can change the theme of a computer. You can add a device in your computer. Okay, you can change the shape of a mouse pointer. So this is how you can work with the Windows.